Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you're a woman, you really need a lot of support. And these ANGOOL Sport Bra set has really given me the support that I need. They come in a variety of colors. I chose the set that had gray, maroon, and black. And what I absolutely love about these is the pretty detail. It has a nice crisscross in the front, a fun braided crisscross in the back. So if you're wearing a shirt where you can see a little bit in the front or in the back, it just adds something to the outfit. They are so comfortable. I actually usually have a problem with sports bras because they go against my lat right here, and for some reason that pressure causes a headache. But these, even though it does give you good support, the straps are not so taut against that part that it does not cause any issues for me. They're so comfortable that I even like sleeping in them. They're great for when you're doing an activity like running or hiking, and it's nice to be able to have that support but look and feel pretty at the same time. I like how the back part, it's very wide and smooths across. I really felt a lot more confident and felt I looked pretty good. I definitely recommend these. They are so pretty, comfortable, and useful, which what more could you want in a sports bra? But that's my point of view.